Leero okwebaka mpozi nga gweyagadde olabaka sheredde ewekwa genda kuba tugeresa ku shoki eva live streaming enkya era tulinayo maziira tone agenda kwerabulenga esummit gardens tulinayo ne shoyo nomuvubuka esana nekiro ndi mulogole pameta titus kuteesa agenda kwera wano wakkulu obugogo cricket over wali eri ku hockey grounds mwagala ngamba nti tugende live streaming embaziira mu binyanyanyanya oba tujje tusabeko
To the football, Kampala experience. Fire! Last night I was walking on the road and I saw the man shooting fire. Come on! The corridor don't catch fire. Catch it! I saw the worker and I see one man who said that street with a carry car. Aha! Kill by a gun, you die by a gun. Run the whole town down. Raise your life to the bubble. There's no killer. You are broke on my business. I'm trying to go blind to kill you. But I care for the right. Look up, go! One more time. I'm broke on my business. I'm trying to go blind to kill you. But I care for the right. Let's go. Right to life, people, go! Kampala!
Baby, 100% love, and then no fee comprehend, and then no fee understand. That's a fact. Nobody better than I. 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 Nobody better.